Whether you have a system in place or not, everyone in the team will have their own ideas on what should be measured. Customer care, for example, will want to know how many defects have been logged in that week, how many have been closed, and for those that have been closed, how many have been completed on time, therefore giving your team performance. However, senior management will want to look at subcontractor performance, trend analysis, and overall group performance. This doesn't mean that everything should be measured, as something that is measurable is not necessarily meaningful. As part of my role here as Customer Success Manager, I can get 20 support tickets a week with queries relating to what should we measure. Here at clixifix, we have a saying that if you can't measure it, you can't manage it, and if you can't manage it, you can't improve it. So here's my advice on what to measure. Make it meaningful, but don't overcomplicate it. Pick 5 items that you want to measure so that at your next customer care meeting, you can then discuss these. They should tie back to something your company wants to achieve, such as completing defects within KPI. You may want to look into patterns, such as recurring defects on the same scheme, enabling you to get to the bottom of the issues. For more information on what to measure, please download our free resource at clixifix.com.